Hey, how's it going? It's Rob from Waterholics Art here, and today I want to go through a product I just purchased, this spray work painting stand set from Tamiya, and I got it at Hobby Lobby, used the 40% off coupon, so it cost me about $15. And so I'm going to open this up here. I already took out the instructions, and so it's got two units in the box here. And so if I unbox this first unit here, they both are turntable assemblies. You can see how the bottom of it turns, which is pretty nice. It comes with 4 clips. Here's 2. Here's 2 more clips. And this has a couple spring clips on it. This particular Lazy Susan does. So here's what it looks like when you unbox it. We have a couple of twist ties here. It looks like holding down each side of the spring clips. So let me go ahead and take these out. So I purchased this because we have a couple models here that we're going to do. And I've wanted one of these for a while. Got a gift card at Hobby Lobby, so I figured now would be the time. What's nice here is it looks like it actually has some adjustment pins to where you can change the location of these springs. So it looks like, yeah, you can modify here where they go. Now my guess is I probably have to turn these around and they're just in that position for the shipping. So what I'm going to do is switch this. So you see what I mean here, how in this case these are actually backwards. You're going to have to remove these and flip it over when you go ahead and put it in. So you're probably asking, well, what would something like this be used for? So I have an example here. I have a car body that I'm going to paint, and what you can do is actually squeeze these together. You can see like I did here, and this will nicely hold that body up, and so I can set it down. You can see I can turn it, and this will allow me to airbrush it without having to handle the model at all. And what's also nice is that I can slowly rotate this if I need to get it in a good position. So that's what the spring clips are used for. Again, there are some slots here that you can adjust it with. So I'll set that to the side. The other thing in the box is just a turntable. Now you can see it has a variety of holes and slots here. So these slots are actually made to take these spring clips and put the spring clips in the side like this, so that you can open it and put something in here. So for example, I have a little Chewbacca miniature here. Say I was looking at painting him, I could set him on here like this, rotate him around, and that would just help to hold him in place. Another thing I could do is, and here I'll show you what the holes are used for. These are actually used to hold sprues. So if I take and clip this sprue piece off here from the model, okay, you can see you can actually take and insert the sprue into those holes to hold your piece up for you, so that if you wanted to paint it, you could do it right on the sprue without having to hold it. Rotate the Lazy Susan around, and so that's what all of these various holes here are for. So what you could do is actually place multiple pieces in the holes and spray them all at the same time without having to, hold one after another. So same with the clips. You could use these positioned in different places. Say you want to paint the back side. Again, you could just open up the spring clip, put the sprue in here, and set it. So this is a really nice device. It comes in handy, especially if you want to paint a whole bunch of items at the same time with the same color. You could even rotate it here on the spring clips. You can see like I'm doing, rotating it around. So there are a whole variety of options that you can do with this. So I know it's pretty brief, quick review, but I just wanted to show you, again, the Spraywork paint stand set was $25 at Hobby Lobby. I used one of the 40% off coupons, and it ended up costing me about $15, $16. So definitely recommend getting one of these. Will make your painting life quite a bit easier. So hope you enjoyed this video, the quick review, and I'll go ahead and put a link in the bottom to one of these products, and hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.